So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Nintendo Switch 2 displaying the wrong battery information. So many people have been complaining that their Switch is displaying the incorrect battery info. If their Switch is saying it's at 68%, say for example, and then they play on it expecting it to run out of charge and it still lasts even longer, it most of the time confuses people. So if you wanted to go back to displaying the correct battery percentage so that it's easy for you to be able to keep track of when you're supposed to be charging it, then here's what you're going to be doing. So the first step is to ensure that your Switch is up to date. So go ahead and open settings, and then you want to scroll and select system, choose system update, and then wait for it to detect any nearby updates. If there's any updates, then just go through the process of updating the system, restart the console, and then once you've done that, the next step after you've performed the system update is to enter recovery mode. So entering recovery mode is fairly simple. All you need to do is just switch off the console. Once it's turned off, you'll press on the volume up, volume down, and power buttons at the same time. When the Nintendo logo appears, you let go of the power button, continue pressing volume up and volume down until the recovery mode menu loads. So let's go ahead and do that. So start by switching off your console. And then once it's been turned off successfully, you then want to press on volume up, volume down, and power until the logo appears. Let go of the power button and continue pressing volume up and volume down. And then continue pressing. And then once this recovery mode menu loads, all you need to do is just exit. And so when it comes to exiting, you're just going to switch off your console and then switch it back on. And once you've turned it back on, you'll be back to the home screen. So go ahead and switch it off. Just press on the power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. And then once the screen goes black, let go of the power button, wait a few moments, and then go ahead and switch on the console again. And then simply wait for it to boot up. Once it boots up, wait for the Joy-Cons to be paired. And once they've been paired successfully, you can go ahead and navigate back to the home screen. And now your Switch should start displaying the correct battery information after going through all of that. So again, ensure that it's been updated, enter recovery mode, exit recovery mode, and it should be displaying the correct information. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.